field record. So, all right, that's cool. Around here, we're talking cold temperatures and snow. I was trying to delay it as long as possible, but the inevitable is upon us. And we're starting with temperatures in the low 20s again. Today, we actually could make it to the freezing point in a few spots, up to 32 degrees, but there's snow on the way, too. It's happening right now in Sullivan County, and we're going to see a couple of inches here in the city. First, let's talk a little about Super Bowl. We isolated the date, February 2nd. We went back in the history books to look and see what the weather does here in New York and New Jersey on February 2nd. It can be anywhere, well, in recent history, from 31 degrees to 54. If you look at the 30-year averages, it can be as cold as 19 for a high, for the averages going all the way up into the 50s. Typically, we have a 39-degree high and a 25-degree low. So we'll see what happens. Looks like things will be trending colder than the average, and maybe even some precipitation. Looking south into the Battery this morning, it looks like snow out there. The cameras are bouncing just a bit. We're going to have a southwest wind up to 30 miles an hour all day today. So with that kind of wind gust, match it with the temperatures that we've got out there, and it feels like the low teens. Bundle up. You'll need the scarves, the extra layers, everything if you have to be outdoors. Wondering about the timing of the snow? Looks like about midday for the city, but already reduced visibility coming from Sullivan County. We've had some reports there. Light accumulations, but the snow showers, these squalls that develop, will quickly move through, and it'll seem like it's going to be a really intense snow. It drops a quick inch, and then it's out of there. Sub-zero wind chills will follow this front that's coming in. And if we look at the futurecast wind chill, it takes the wind chill down to 0 tonight. And during the day tomorrow, single-digit wind chills with colder temperatures. So it is going to be a chilly second half of the weekend. Here's where the snow is right now. On the radar, these first squalls moving into the northwest counties of New Jersey and parts of southeastern New York. And so this is really where we're going to see the first part of the action, just north of 84. Mount Hope's getting ready to get a little bit of an intense snowfall there. Accumulations will be highest where the snow is beginning first. And so right now we're forecasting about 1 to 3 inches for areas north and west, and a coating to 2 inches for New York eastward out to Long Island. By 6 o'clock, the snow is quickly escaping off to the east, and it's dry for the second half of the weekend. So it's not going to snow the entire day today, and it's not going to snow all weekend. Coating to 2 inches, though. Fresh little blanket of snow. 1 to 3 back to the north and west. And after we see the snow flurries today, tomorrow it's very cold, low 20s for the daytime high. So it's frigid again for the second half of the weekend. When will it finally get warm? Well, 38 doesn't sound so bad. And that happens on Monday. We get the influence of some warmer air coming up from the south. Maybe a few flurries will fly early on Monday, but the afternoon looks decent. For Super Bowl week, here's what to expect. Above freezing on Monday, but then bitter cold is back for the middle part of the week. No significant snow, but flurries are possible on and off. And it looks like Super Bowl weekend itself, we could have a snow mix as temperatures come up to near freezing. So could be an icy mix if we get our numbers up into the low 30s. We'll have to watch that. 22 tomorrow in the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. 38 on Monday, doesn't last long. 16 on Tuesday. 18 with an offshore storm on Wednesday. Low to mid-20s as we end the week. Friday, we could have snow. Second half hour, I'll show you what they're giving the Super Bowl ticket holders to prepare them for game day weather.
Right. It is good stuff.
All right.